Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Lorex app not working. So if you're currently having problems that your Lorex app is not working on your phone and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly, or what I did myself firstly, is that I just closed my Lorex app and then I clicked on the settings app on my phone. And then in here, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general and then I scrolled down a little bit in here as well. Then I clicked on storage. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. So now on this page, just scroll all the way up in here until you can see the search bar up top, right? So click on the search bar, search for Lorex in here and click on the Lorex app. Now what you're going to do is very simple. You're just going to click on offload app and once again, click on offload app in here. Then click on the reinstall app button in here and then just wait for your Lorex app to completely update to its latest version. So I did this myself actually, and after this actually my app was able to work once again like before. So basically I think that when they sometimes release like a new update and you still haven't gotten it, you're still like stuck on the last update or on the previous update, then basically you need to actually update your app to be able to get it to work properly. And now when it says offload app again, that means that you actually now have updated your app after it was done loading here, as you can see. So now go back into the app and hopefully now it's working for you as well.